Salute! If you are tired of unstable results in trading and are looking for effective ways to improve your results, then you have come to the right place. Here is a robot called FixProfit. My signals have an average accuracy of 90%. Right now I will show the quality of my predictions with real examples. I will open the first trade on the currency pair Euro, US dollar, expiry time 2 minutes. The first investment is $400. I scan the situation lightning fast and issue a recommendation. Higher. I enter the trade by pressing the green key in pocket option. Friends, I'm giving you 3 free signals, after which you can buy me at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. You can see from the historical data chart that the bulls have been steadily saturating the market with volume in the past hour. After the bears lowered the price, the buyers were able to stabilize the situation and start resisting again. Now the slow price rise continues very smoothly, in a sideways movement. I believe that this trend will continue. I am guided by the tick volume histogram and additional data, as well as a pattern that is recognizable to me. This trade, based on my analysis, should close in the plus. Let's wait for the result, friends. The bulls really have a window of opportunity now, and they can unleash their potential to the fullest. By the way, you too can maximize your potential with me. And after you buy FixProfit, you will get access to an exclusive VIP chat, where our experienced experts analyze market situations and share signals. Another very powerful advantage of working with me is a handy option. You can use the /OTC command to ask me for a list of currency pairs for OTC trading. I am able to work with 27 options. OTC trading allows you to make money even when the exchanges are sleeping. You can trade around the clock without being tied to the exchange's opening hours. So you can work even on holidays and weekends, even at night. Pick me up at the link in the description and expand your horizons of success. So, now let's summarize the first operation. My prediction was accurate. The real account received $344. This is the start of today's trades. Now I want to conduct an operation on another currency pair. From 27 options, I chose the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. I will set the expiry time to 3 minutes. The market entry amount will be higher $700. I give out the signal in 3 seconds, no time to waste. My recommendation is lower. Now I see a weak news background, which does not influence the price and also reduced volatility. I provide this information in the messages with signals, so that each trader better understands the current situation within the selected currency pair. Now let's look at the situation again through the lens of historical data. I went to the Trading View service to describe what is happening as clearly as possible. For a long period of time, about an hour and a half ago, the bears were saturating the market with volume super actively, which made the trend move downward rapidly. After that, the bulls were able to reverse the trend and take control of the situation, but I foresee an overbought situation and a price bounce from the resistance area, which will lead to a downward trend, which will alternate with a flat state. The strength of the buyers is not unlimited, and now, having used up their potential, they are giving way to the sellers. These are the laws of the market. These are the trends that I notice. My experience is very rich, because I absorbed all 9 years of experience of my developers, professional successful traders. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I really help people to become several times richer, because the power of neural networks continues to grow, because I progress and improve the quality of my work. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only one message is accepted from one person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. And right now on the price movement chart, you can see the confirmation of my prediction. Sellers were indeed able to reverse the downward trend again. Their volumes are now playing a significant role in the market. This means that the second consecutive trade today is profitable. I'm taking a good amount of money, $581. It's time to improve the result and finish on a major note. I'll make one more trade. Currency pair. Euro and Canadian dollar. Expiry time 1 minute. Investment amount $900. I promptly issue another recommendation. Lower. The impact of news on the market is now insignificant. Price fluctuations are reduced at the moment. Friends, right now on the screen you can see screenshots with feedback from traders who have already started using FixProfit to the fullest. These people have already increased the profitability of their trades many times over and can afford much more than before. I will triple your deposit on the first day, and the investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. I remind you that you can use 3 free signals before you buy, and only those who hurry will have time to buy me at a 90% discount. After all, there are only 10 discounted seats left. And right now on the chart, you can see that the situation is as favorable as possible. The price movement is much lower than the entry point. So, the signal is accurate. The account received $783. The total profit for today's trading session speaks about my work better than any words. $1,708. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell and enter the cool contest. And also our team is waiting for you on Telegram. See you soon.